I don't care. Today was a black lipstick day. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing my very first mystery unboxing on this channel, and it is from Betzies Curiosities. Yes, you heard right. Out of the 4 years I have been doing YouTube, I have never done a mystery box unboxing. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you could check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. So yes, as I stated in the intro, this is my very first mystery box unboxing on this channel. 4 years of doing YouTube, never did a mystery box unboxing. Unboxed everything else under the sun, but not a mystery box. Reason being is that I'm not one for surprises. I like to know what it is I'm purchasing, but I decided to take a leap of faith with Betzies Curiosities and purchase one of her mystery boxes. I have known the owner for, I think, going on 3 years now, and I believe she started her brand late last year or early this year. So she's still a new brand. She has an assortment of everything. And in case you were wondering, that's where I got the black lightning bolt and bat earrings that you guys ask about. That's where I got them from. So I was thinking, you know what? She's offering a mystery box. I'm going to go ahead and get it. So let's go ahead and get into this bad boy. All right, I do have to say to please pardon the dog barking in the background. Of course, you guys know there's a dog park right next to my apartment. So yeah, dog's barking. She did write on the box, "You are amazing." And she has her sticker, Betzies Curiosities, on here. And she's got like this gold foil confetti falling everywhere. So I really do appreciate that. The hubster vacuums anyways. But let me get my scissors so I can open this. There is little pieces of confetti coming out. Ooh. She gave me a sticker. That's going on my laptop. My laptop's actually almost running out of room. And I have a business card. There's her information. All right. Ooh. Of course, she did this. So we have orange little crumpled paper and gold flake confetti. I am stoked for this. All right, looks like we have a little bag of crystals. She has a little note inside, so let's go ahead and see what that is. Okay, these are sea glass aids in mood and calming. She definitely knows that I need this. These are very, very pretty. Ooh, we got 3 different colors. We have a green, a clear, and also a blue piece. There's smaller blue pieces and bigger green pieces. And there's a big clear piece as well. But that's really nice. I like that. All right, next up we have, ooh, it's a bracelet that has her website information on it. This is BetziesCuriosities.com. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, marketing. All right, next up we have, okay, I think these are 2 of her liners, if I'm not mistaken. These are 2 of her, I do believe she calls them Ouija liners, if I'm not mistaken. I think. They have a Ouija board on the cap. This is a pink color, and this one is black. I do believe these are water activated liners. Next up, we have a bracelet. That is very pretty bracelet. All right, we also have a brain beater blender. It's a pink beauty blender. I have her black one actually. I think it's called the Black Heart Beauty Blender, or the Black Heart blender. But that's cool. I love her packaging on this. It's so cute. I got gold flakes all over the place. All right, next up, ooh, we have some glitter, some chunky glitters. Alrighty, this one is in the style Hex. I don't know if you guys can see that. But this is what it looks like. It's like purple. It has like the light purple, the dark purple, and the iridescence going on. Pieces, that's what I wanted to say. Pretty cool. And the second one is, I do believe this is Pele. It is the gold chunky glitter. Super pretty. Ooh, she gave me an eyebrow pomade in the shade Soft Brown. I have to try this out. Oh, and it comes with a little brush. Oh, wow. This is nice for a soft brown. I am definitely going to have to try this. Ooh, I think that will look good on the days that I will do more of like a natural brow instead of my whoop-pow brows I got going on right now. And the last item I have is a lip gloss in the shade Flyin' Hawaiian. That is a pretty gloss. Doesn't really have a smell. Let me put some of it on my hand. Oh, yes it does. And it smells good. It smells nice and fruity. That's pretty. All right, I am going to clean all this up because I have a lot of gold flake glitter going on, and I will be right back. Alrighty, I got everything pretty much straightened up, and I got prices for most of these products. The only ones I didn't get a price for were the gemstones, but she does have Howlite stones on her site for $3, I believe it said. The bracelet, this one right here, I think these are the only two items I did not find a price for. But I have a price for everything else, so let's see what the value of this box really is. The brow pomade retails for $8. The Flyin' Hawaiian lip gloss retails for $5. This shade is currently sold out, but she does have other shades on her site for you to purchase, and they're $5 as well. These are called planchette liners. I knew it had something to do with a Ouija board. And they are $6 a piece. The Hex glitter is $5, and so is the Pele glitter. This bracelet right here, I actually have a name for it. It's called the Spooky Babe 2 Chakra Bracelet, and it retails for $7. The Brain Blender retails for $6.50. So all of that together equals $48.50. I paid $20 for this box. That is a steal of a deal if you ask me. I mean, that's more than twice than what you're getting. That's just insane. I absolutely love this. This was a really good start to mystery boxes for me. And I like it how it was an indie brand that I did and not like a big, you know, known brand, because they're able to put a little bit of extra touches in there for their customers, you know, as a thank you for purchasing and all that jazz. And I actually really do love this box, and I cannot wait to use the products that she gave me. You can check out her website at betsiescuriosities.com. I will post everything down in the description box. I do believe she has a discount code that I will put in the description box for you as well. It's not mine. I don't earn any money off of it at all whatsoever. It's just there to save you guys some money. She has an assortment of products, as you guys saw in this box. She has accessories, she has makeup, she has, oh god, she just has everything. And she also has merch too. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all the products I used today for this makeup look will be down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye! Ooh, let's spray these baby hairs down. Had a burp coming up as I was talking. I am loving all these goodies in here. She hooked me up.